today's video we are reviewing the Galaxy Light projector. So yeah, let's get it.
Wow, nice, dude. Zip it, Stanley.
Hey, bring in the boss. Oh, with the hands. God damn it. Okay, let's get it. There we go. Even the box looks nice. Okay. God damn. Light up your space adventures. So yeah, we're gonna open it. So it comes with a manual, a controller, remote, and the USB. God damn it. This looks like a spaceship, man. I always knew I would own a spacecraft one day. This is what it looks like. Comes with sound as well. God damn it. I'm gonna read about this, you know, I'm gonna make my little research and then I'll get back to you guys. I finally put it on and it's just amazing. I'm about to show you how to use it. Alright, let's get it. So yeah, here's the remote. We've got many options, yeah. Basically, this is the blue light, this is the white light, this is the green light, and this is the red light. And you can kind of combine it all. You got the LED light here. You got the power for the LED slash laser, basically. So, you know what I'm saying? We've got spin. This makes it spin less to the point where it stops. This makes it spin faster. Do you know what I mean? This is the lighting, controls the brightness. This is obviously the laser lights. Do you know what I mean? This is like a show, a light show. Combo number 1, combo number 2. This is if you want to turn on, because obviously you can put music on there as well. Turn on the music.
Bluetooth mode.
It's got a Bluetooth mode, or you can put a USB.
Oh.
I'm going to show you what that looks like, all these things there. Now that you know the drill, we're going to put it on. Power. Boom. Turn on the laser. Both of them are on. We're going to put on the white light. Now we're going to add the blue light. As you can see. Now we're gonna put the red light on, bad boy, the red one. See that? That's that Milky Way type of thing in it. Do you get what I'm saying? Green light. Have you done the green light? I don't remember doing the green light. Yeah, there you go. Green lights. We're gonna make it move, spin. Boom. Now you see the movement. I can make it go faster. See that? Now we're gonna make it slow down and stop. So we press S minus and boom. Back to being static. Okay? Increase and decrease the light. Press this. You see? Hold on. Brighter, less bright. Bright, less bright. Okay, I'm gonna put that in medium. Now I'm gonna show you the number 1 display of lights, as in its own thing in it. Number 1. You see, that's like its own transition in it. See. See that? See that? Okay, now I'm gonna show you transition number 2. Transition number 2. There you go. That's that magic stuff. You feel me, baby? See that? Listen, you need to swipe up, man. Swipe up and, you know what I'm saying? I mean, what am I saying swipe up? But the link to this thing will be down in the description, though. I would love it if you could purchase it from my link. You know what I'm saying? That helps support my channel. That's it. Let me turn it on. I mean, off. Boom. Off. Off. Let me pull off the laser as well. Boom. That's it. We're back to pitch black. Yeah, let me put it back on. It's actually noise. So yeah, at this point, I only got one question for you. How comes you haven't copped your light yet? What are you waiting for? I'm wondering. So, do you know what we're gonna do? You're gonna go down in the description, use my link, and go cop one. You know what I'm saying? I believe it's on a limited discount, limited edition. You know what I'm saying? So before the price goes back up, yeah, go grab it now. So yeah, guys, that was your boy, and I'm just gonna make sure you like, subscribe, and share.
Nigga, I could teach you. Maybe I'm a gangster, but I don't move like a gangster. Baby girl, I'm too smooth. On the streets, they won't survive. On the ground, they can last. They